Hello and welcome to the Alcove. Dito po sa Quezon City. Nandito po tayo sa Don Pepe Street and dito po tayo sa Palmera. Dito po sa the Alcove, you're living in the city at the same time with nature. So, malapit po tayo sa lahat. Alam niyo naman po yung Quezon City, di ba? Malapit po tayo dito sa Commonwealth. So, dito ko po ilalagay or dito yung address or yung map para madali nyo pong mapuntahan. Or just comment lang po or call me or DM me kung saan po natin mapupuntahan itong The Alcove para mag-site viewing po tayo. And then, eto na nga po, excuse me po sa lahat ng mga kalat kasi po, alam nyo naman po pag naglilipat. So, sooner, gagawin nyo rin po yan. Sooner, maglilipat na rin po kayo sa bahay na ito. The Alcove is a low-density environment. There are 94 townhomes within 1.5 hectares, 40% open space, and with naturally ventilated amenities. Solar-powered townhomes, clubhouse, and street lights. And presenting Townhome A and Unit. There are 4 bedrooms, and each bedroom has its own ensuite. Powder room on the ground floor. LED light fixtures. Mga breaker. Diba? Ang ganda oh. Open layout living, dining, and kitchen area.
Ang ganda kasi may inaayos pa. Yan siya pag medyo.
Natural lighting and ventilation with large tempered glass doors and windows. Balcony on the second floor and the third floor. The home office. well-planned utilities, and aesthetic. So, recap lang po tayo for this third floor. The highlight of this third floor is the office area. Meron siyang view from outside. Nakikita nyo yung mga trees, ganyan sa palibot. And kahit i-open mo yung, kung ayaw mo mag-aircon, i-open mo yung ano. Also, meron din siyang 2 bedrooms. So, yung 2 bedrooms, meron siyang walk-in closets and also meron siyang individual na toilet and bathroom. And very spacious siya. And of course, the ceiling ang taas din. So, very comfortable to live in. So, ito yung mid unit. Nandito tayo sa third floor. Tapos ito yung may balcony sa likod. Tapos, ito yung toilet and bathroom niya. Check natin to. Parang lalagyan dito ng light. Ito naman yung isang bedroom dito sa third floor na ang balcony niya ay sa harapan. Ito yung toilet and bathroom. So, ganito kayo. Same lang din halos. Tapos, ayan yung balcony. Tapos, ito yung office. So, ito yung third floor. Dito naman, may ganitong awning type. So, hindi ko pa nakikita yung floor plan, pero possible na dyan ilalagay yung office table. So, bababa na tayo ngayon sa second floor. From third floor, dahan-dahan lang tayo. So, ito yung second floor. Nandito yung masters. Ito yung masters. Siguro, ayan yung entertainment. Yan yung TV. And then, ito yung balcony. Ito yung walk-in closet ng masters. Ito yung toilet and bathroom naman ng masters. Dito sa mid unit. And ito yung kanyang balcony. Back door. Excuse me po.
Sige lang, ma'am.
Salamat. So, pagpasok mo, nandiyan yung powder room, living area, dining area, and kitchen. Tapos, nandito yung guest room or maid's room na may sarili din siyang toilet and bathroom, which is madilim pa. And ito yung kanilang service area. So, yan. So, ito yung two-car garage. Ito yung garden. So, at the back nito ay service area. So, ito po ang ating century tree na mangga. Puntahan natin ang ating swimming pool. Clubhouse. Yan. The second floor of the clubhouse consists of multifunction hall and fitness studio. The shower room. The clubhouse lounge. The alcove, breathable environment, sustainable and smart living, resort-like amenities, safety and security, convenient location, premium value for price. Swimming pool at night, your romantic escape every day, designed for your life. Discover a simple kind of prosperity here in the alcove. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Till next time, this is Girly Magsaysay. Live with nature's good vibe.